Hello everyone, this is Valentine from SheetGo. In this video I will explain to you how to automatically import Excel files into Google Sheets using SheetGo. So right now we have here our Excel file. It's called the company survey report. We have some information here. And I'm going to save the file. I'm going to store it inside my computer in a folder I've named Excel files. There we go. Now the file is saved to my computer and it's automatically syncing to my Google Drive because I've installed the backup and sync of Google Drive. So it will automatically be stored inside my Google Drive. So now let's go to open a new spreadsheet. And we want to import the customer survey report into this spreadsheet. So let's give it the correct name. There we go. So once you've saved your file on the in the correct folder, that will automatically sync to your Google Drive. Inside your drive, you see here computers, and then you will see the folder, and here we have the company survey report. Let's move it to our drive. There we go. It's now added to the drive. So now we go to customer survey report, and to automatically import this file here, we open the SheetGo add-on. If you don't have the add-on yet, click on Get Add-ons and install it for free. There we go. To import the file, we hover over this plus sign and choose Import Data. As a data source, we will select the Excel file, Customer Survey Report. Here we have the Excel file, so click on it. You see that it perfectly stored inside our drive, and we can now import it using the SheetGo add-on. So we choose to import it here. You have some settings. You can change the connection name or have it automatically updated every day, every week, every hour even, or filter by certain conditions and so on. But let's just show you how it imports. There you go. You see that SheetGo created a new tab here and imported the data from Excel automatically into Google Sheets. Take a look at my other video on how to import specific data, filtered data using SheetGo in my other video. Thank you so much for watching.